I just ran the 5 biggest AI video generators through the exact same prompts to find out which one is actually worth paying for. After making hundreds of AI videos, putting these models side by side revealed differences way bigger than I expected. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI video generator deserves your money and which ones you should completely avoid. To keep things perfectly fair, I'm using a platform called Higsfield. It's an all-in-one tool that lets me access all of these models in one single place using the exact same prompts and starting images. Link in the description if you want to follow along. First, we need our starting frame. Inside Higsfield, I used GPT Image 2 to generate a pit crew chief talking through his headset. The result looks incredibly real, setting us up perfectly. Now, let's start animating. Test 1. Realistic lip sync and emotion. This is where most models fail. We're asking the AI to animate the crew chief calling in a pit stop. The camera is locked still, so all the focus is on his face and lip sync. 1. Seedance 2.0. We ran this at a full 15 seconds, native 4K, with audio. The result? Flawless. The face looks entirely real, down to the micro wrinkles, and the lip sync hits every syllable. It even added passing race cars to the audio background. Score: 10 out of 10 on realism and lip sync. It's expensive, but the quality is unmatched. 2. Happy Horse. This model is unique because it skips Higsfield's media eligibility check, meaning it's the only model that lets you animate existing IP, like movie or anime characters. Ran at 1080p. The result? Visually excellent, but the voice and sound effects sound synthetic and layered on after the fact. Score: realism, 8 out of 10. Lip sync, 6 out of 10. 3. Kling 3.0 ran at 4K with audio. The result? A major letdown for talking heads. The visuals are incredibly cinematic, 9 out of 10. But the mouth movements don't match the words at all. Score: lip sync misses so badly it drops to a 5 out of 10. Great for B-roll, bad for dialogue. 4. Gemini Omni Flash. The cheapest model in the test, which I ran at 10 seconds, 16:9. The result? Surprisingly strong. After a slight delay at the start, the lip sync catches up perfectly, and the voice is highly convincing. Score: realism, 7 out of 10. Voice, 8 out of 10. For a tiny fraction of the cost of the others, this is an absolute steal. 5. Sora 2 Pro Max, once the most hyped name in AI video. Ran at 12 seconds, 1080p. The result? Shockingly bad. The face doesn't look real, and the lip sync fails entirely. Score: 3 out of 10. Plus, OpenAI is discontinuing Sora 2 across most platforms soon anyway. Avoid this one completely. Test 2. Fast and intense movement. A model that does talking heads well might completely fail at complex motion. For this test, I generated a starting frame of a breakdancer on a canyon edge. The prompt includes a complex trick list, a specific camera orbit, and a music cue. Kling 3.0 glitches heavily during fast movement. Motion, 1/10. It tracks the music well, but the video breaks down completely. Sora 2, another complete failure. Unnatural motion, 2/10, and ignores the camera instructions completely. 2 out of 10. Happy Horse. A solid opening, but it ends with an unnatural freeze and a delayed camera orbit. Motion, 6 out of 10. Adherence, 6 out of 10. Gemini Omni Flash. Unbelievably good for the price. It hits every trick, orbits perfectly, and matches the music. It earns a 7 out of 10 for motion and an impressive 9 out of 10 for adherence. Seedance 2.0, almost perfect. It hits the beat, nails the physical moves, and tracks the camera flawlessly. Motion, 9 out of 10. Adherence, 10 out of 10. The undisputed king of motion. The final verdict: performance versus cost. On the scoreboard, Seedance 2.0 is the undisputed winner, and Gemini Omni Flash is the shocking runner-up. But you have to look at the cost to run these models on Higsfield. Gemini Omni Flash, 30 credits. Happy Horse, 68 credits. Kling 3.0, 90 credits. Sora 2, 153 credits. Seedance 2.0, 330 credits. So which one should you choose? If you want the most cinematic, flawless, professional result possible, Seedance 2.0 is absolutely worth the credits. It has 0 weak spots. But if you're on a budget just getting started, or experimenting with lots of generations, Gemini Omni Flash is your best bet. It delivers top-tier output for less than 1/10 of the price of Seedance. The truth is, AI video models change constantly. If you lock yourself into one expensive subscription, you're going to miss out when a better model drops next month. That's why using a multi-model aggregator like Higsfield is the smartest approach for creators right now. If this video helped you figure out your AI workflow, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to Succes. We break down the best AI tools for creators and business owners every single week. See you in the next one.